Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to create your flashcards in Cram on the web. So go and hit the menu, create flashcards. So you will end up with this page. So just write the title as the unit 4, as we are in the unit 4. Don't write anything as a subject. Go down and choose public. So now we are ready to create our flashcards. I have created before. So this is the front of your flashcards and this is the back of your flashcard. So just write the animal name in English and upload the image, just hitting on this icon. You upload from here, turn off this, and write in Turkish at the back of your flashcard. So be careful about the language. You should choose this English, the front side, and the back side is in Turkish. So I have chosen these before. Go down and add your animals or your words here. Write in Turkish and in English. Add images from your computer. Don't use from the internet. So go down. I have created 3 flashcards. So you may add, if you want, you should add more flashcards on hitting this green menu bar. Just hit this. Yes, you see. One more flashcard. If you want to add more, just hit this. So you can add more flashcards by hitting a green button. Let me delete this by hitting on this icon. So when you finish, go down and finish the set. You just hit this set. As I have finished this, it writes update set. Normally it is finish and create set. So just hit this green button. Yes, so my flashcards are down here. So when you come to share these with the class dojo, you go up to the address bar here. Oops. So copy this link, right click and copy, and go to your class dojo account and find the activity. Just hit the start button and right click your mouse and paste the link and click hand in button. So that's it.